Getting into electric motorbikes is less about speed and more about control, confidence, and learning the feel of the road. The best beginner bikes are the ones that make riding intuitive, not intimidating. Smooth acceleration, balanced weight, and predictable handling matter far more than raw power. These 15 electric motorbikes strike that balance, making them ideal starting points for new riders in 2026. Number 15. LiveWire S2 Del Mar. First impressions matter, especially when learning to ride. The LiveWire S2 Del Mar delivers power in a controlled and predictable way, making it easier for beginners to build confidence. Its lightweight frame and responsive handling make city riding feel manageable, rather than overwhelming. The torque is strong but smooth, allowing gradual acceleration. It is a modern electric bike that feels approachable while still offering enough performance to grow into over time. Number 14. Sondors Metacycle 2.0. Sometimes the best way to learn is by removing complexity altogether. The Sondors Metacycle 2.0 keeps things simple with a clean design and straightforward controls. It does not overwhelm you with features you do not need early on. Its lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver, especially at low speeds. The acceleration is steady and controlled, helping you build confidence step by step. It is ideal for short commutes and daily rides, a solid entry point into electric motorbikes. Number 13. Zero DSR/X. Stepping into riding feels easier when the bike helps you stay in control. The Zero DSR/X uses advanced rider aids that adjust power delivery and improve stability. This makes mistakes less punishing for beginners. The upright seating position gives you a clear sense of balance. It handles both city roads and light off-road terrain comfortably. The torque is strong but refined. It is a versatile machine that supports learning while offering room to grow. Number 12. Ryvid Anthem. Confidence often begins with how stable you feel when you stop. The Ryvid Anthem features an adjustable seat height that helps riders find their ideal position. This makes balancing much easier, especially for beginners. Its low center of gravity improves control at slower speeds. The throttle response is smooth and forgiving. The lightweight frame makes it easy to handle in traffic. It is designed to remove hesitation from the learning process. Number 11. Verge TS Ultra. A bike can look futuristic and still feel natural to ride. The Verge TS Ultra uses a unique design that improves weight distribution and balance. This creates a stable and controlled riding experience. The power delivery is precise, helping beginners understand how the bike responds. Advanced electronics assist with traction and safety. Despite its performance, it feels surprisingly intuitive. It is innovation without intimidation. Number 10. Can-Am Pulse. Control is everything when you're starting out. The Can-Am Pulse is built with stability in mind, offering a balanced frame and comfortable riding position. It feels predictable from the first ride. The throttle response is smooth, avoiding sudden surges of power. Its ergonomics reduce fatigue during longer sessions. It is especially suited for city commuting. A practical choice for building everyday riding confidence. Number 9. Italian Volt Lacama 2.0. Riding becomes easier when you can shape how the bike behaves. The Italian Volt Lacama 2.0 offers adjustable riding modes that let beginners ease into performance. The acceleration is controlled and refined, making it easier to manage. The design feels premium while still being functional. It remains stable across different speeds. A great option for riders who want both flexibility and style. Number 8. Energica Experia. Comfort plays a bigger role than most people expect. The Energica Experia offers a relaxed riding posture that reduces strain and improves control. This makes longer rides less intimidating. Its power delivery is smooth and consistent. Stability remains strong across different speeds. The bike feels planted and predictable. It is ideal for beginners who want comfort alongside performance. Number 7. BMW CE02. Starting small often makes learning easier. The BMW CE02 is compact, lightweight, and extremely approachable. It feels less intimidating than traditional motorcycles. Its low seat height helps riders stay confident at stops. The controls are simple and easy to understand. Acceleration is gentle and manageable, perfect for city riders and first-time learners. Number 6. FUELL. Daily usability can make or break a beginner's experience. The Fllow is designed to fit naturally into everyday life. It feels intuitive from the moment you start riding. The acceleration is smooth and controlled. Handling is balanced and predictable. It does not overwhelm with unnecessary complexity. A reliable option for learning while commuting. Number 5. LiveWire S2 Mulholland. Confidence builds when every input feels consistent. The LiveWire S2 Mulholland delivers refined power that responds smoothly to your throttle. It feels stable and composed at all times. The handling is predictable, making it easier to learn proper control. Comfort is well balanced for longer rides. The bike feels premium yet approachable. A strong step up for beginners who want refinement. Number 4. Super73 C1X. The jump from bicycle to motorcycle can feel intimidating. The Super73 C1X makes that transition feel natural. Its design feels familiar while still delivering motorbike performance. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The power is controlled and not overwhelming. It suits urban environments perfectly. A great bridge for first-time riders. Number 3. Land Moto District. Simplicity often leads to confidence. The Land Moto District focuses on clean design and easy handling. It removes unnecessary distractions from the riding experience. The throttle response is smooth and predictable. Its lightweight build makes city riding easier. Controls are straightforward and intuitive. Ideal for beginners who want a stress-free learning curve. Number 2. Maving RM1S. Familiarity can make learning feel effortless. The Maving RM1S blends classic motorcycle design with modern electric performance. It feels approachable from the moment you sit on it. The low seat height improves balance and control. Acceleration is gentle and manageable. The bike feels stable at slower speeds. A perfect starting point for new riders. Number 1. Verge. Control becomes clearer when the bike responds instantly. The Verge delivers precise and immediate feedback, helping beginners understand their inputs. It feels direct but not chaotic. The lightweight design improves balance and agility. Power delivery is smooth despite its performance potential. It allows riders to learn quickly and confidently. A powerful machine that still supports the learning process.